When you take your mirrors, your OEM mirrors off of your S1000 RR, and then you try and use the turning signals, you're going to get warnings. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get around that without having to buy something like this. You're going to have to buy some resistors. You can get them off Amazon. These are 36 ohm 5 watt resistors, and these cost less than $10 off Amazon. You'll only need 2 of them. Since the mirrors have integrated turning signals, when you remove them you get an error. So this is the warning that you get when you try and use them, when you try and use the turning signals. You can see it's blinking fast and then that warning pops up. And you can close out of it, but the annoying thing is that you have basically a warning stuck over there. Female to female ribbon cable wires too, to help plug these in. These are where the OEM mirrors are going to plug into, so these are where you're going to put this resistor into. One resistor is going to go in each one. To take this off, you can just basically pull it up. Basically 2 male metal connectors, so I'm going to put these in there like that. So you want to see if we get a warning, and we want to see if it slows down the blinking signal frequency. So you guys can see the right signal works good now, and I'll just show you the left. The left is going fast, and it gives a warning. So yeah, 36 ohm 5 watt resistor. Get a couple of them off Amazon, and that'll get rid of your faulty turning signal warning. Resistors on here, I just taped them up a little bit with some electrical tape. These resistors down in here. So it sits above the air intake. It sits like right behind here. But wind shouldn't disturb this area too much.